Try the broccoli. Broccoli hit. Try chicken teriyaki. Kind of hard. I give this about 6.5 out of 10. It's good though. Got me a little energy drink. It's the Lona Cosmic Stardust. Let's get into these wings. White meat. I ain't gonna lie, Chinese spots have the best chicken wings. No cap. Nice size. Woo! Fucking hot. Yeah. Bussin'. Need some hot sauce though. I just use their house because I ain't trying to go to my cabinets and use mine. Use the free stuff. General Tso's. It hit. I didn't get no rice or noodles. I got some chicken. Some General Tso's, some teriyaki chicken, chicken wings, some broccoli, green, a little protein. Broccoli's fat. With that General Tso's sauce, woo! Yeah. General, Human King, give it about 7 out of 10. We out.